Okay.
I'm Tom Edwards,
And I'm Rebecca Edwards.
and 15 years ago, Mike worked for Weber and Braun selling AC units. And he came to the house, and price went out, and we wrote up the deal. And he just got up to leave, and we said, well, now all we need to do is put solar on the roof in order to pay for the electricity it's going to take to run the AC unit. And he stood there for a second, and he said, are you guys serious? We said, yeah. He sat back down, and we discussed it. And
He happened to be very knowledgeable about solar. We were very impressed, and we said, oh, let's do it. So
he said, I can take care of that.
yeah,
And he did.
So he did. It was great. The guys that came, they installed it. I mean, they worked from morning till it was probably dusk. I mean, it was an all-day affair. And they left the place so clean,
Immaculate.
you didn't even know if someone was there. And so far, we've had very good luck with our solar. We're very happy with it.